Dew Herbal Ultra Whitening Aloe Vera Facial Kit. Aloe vera is beneficial in removing the dead cells and moisturizing the skin. Evidence proves that aloe vera promotes the elasticity of skin, making the skin glow naturally and supple. First step, cleansing cream. Dew Herbal Cleansing Cream. Gentle, off-texture cleansing cream for normal combination to dehydrated skin types that removes makeup and impurities and hydrates skin. Also refreshes and leaves skin feeling soft and looking radiant. Apply cleansing cream on your face or hand and massage 3 to 4 minutes and clean with wet sponge. The ingredients: aloe, lemon, mint remove all impurities and soften the skin. Second step, skin polish. Peeling cream with aloe vera extract. Ultra whitening booster with peppermint extract. 1 tablespoon of peeling cream, ½ teaspoon of powder, and ½ teaspoon of healing mask. Mix it for 3 to 4 minutes. Apply on your face, hands or body and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Massage for 2 minutes and wash it. Minimizes dark spots. Skin bleaching treatments can reduce dark spots on the skin caused by sun damage, aging, and hormonal changes. Reduces the appearance of acne scars. This skin bleaching treatment may help fade acne scars. Second step, crystal scrub. Crystal scrub benefits lightly buffering skin to remove dead cell. This unique advanced deep cleanser is formulated with very fine C micrograins to softly and gently exfoliate dead skin cells, dirt, oil and impurities from deep within the skin pores that can cause skin to look dull and lifeless. Apply crystal scrub on your face or hand and gently massage 5 minutes and clean with wet sponge. Gentle, soft, and remove dead skin. Improves appearance of skin texture and tone. Reduce visible signs of aging. Third step, anti-impurities gel. This intense, quick organic peel moisturize as it slough off dead skin. It contains lactic, glycol acid, antioxidant-rich hollyhock, and hydrating lemon oil. Application. If you have blackheads on face, apply impurities gel for 5 minutes and remove the all blackheads. Gently softens and removes dead skin, smooths the appearance of wrinkles, reduces the appearance of age spot and blotches, pores appear smaller. Step 4, gel serum. The soothing, moisturizing, and healing properties of aloe vera keeps the skin evergreen. Dew Aloe Vera Gel Serum helps soothe, irritate feds, blemishes, remove dark circle and blemishes for visible, younger-looking complexion. Now apply the gel serum for whitening results and balance your skin pH level. Step 5, Glow Cream. This aloe vera glow cream leaves skin hydrated, the complexion looking brighter, and the skin tone more even, leaves a smooth, matte finish. Apply glow cream on your face or hand and gently massage for 4 to 5 minutes. This glow cream hydrates skin, look brighter, and skin tone more even. Step 6, Healing Mask. It has polysaccharide that gives hydrating, anti-inflammatory benefits, and allow for aloe to give a protective barrier on skin. It helps to soothe itchiness and irritation while also giving protection to prevent chill. Trans epidermal water loss. IR is rich in vitamin B, D, and E, magnesium, potassium, zinc. Apply healing mask on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Now become dry. Wash face with water. Wow, got a good result. 100 recommended.